I will give a tip now of how to preview the HTML pages being developed without the need to keep opening the browser, right? I'm editing here. You have to go back there in the browser. It's interesting to see everything. Split this screen here and see everything right here. I don't want here 11 HTML with CSCC. Let's edit here. For this, I have an extension here in Visual Studio Code, which I have to install. I come here on this extensions button and I'll look here for previous HTML. Okay. I found this extension, so I install the extension. Click here on install. Are you installing? I have to give you a clock that reset, huh? The extensions. And that doesn't make me lose the page I was dictating. The page isn't there. But now I have the extension installed. Let's go here in the list of installed extensions. Here's my HTML preview. Okay. What do you mean? Now I will view my page in real time. I'm going to utilize the keys again, Shift P. And I have it here. If it's not on the list, mine here is on the list because I'm using it all the time. But if it's not on the list, I start typing HTML open preview. Click can already be viewed the HTML page. Okay. It's viewing here on the right side. Let's create 11 neighbor here to get the style here. CSS text that I just created. So I go there, shoot class. Then I'm going to use the one that I created, the CSS text, CSS text. I'm going to put a text here just to see if it really caught my day here. I'm going to put it here. Hey, you got it right. In fact, you are already using it here. Hello, Obi-Wan, our dear Obi-Wan. What name? Okay, so we are already visualizing just to follow up properly if it is in real time. Let's change here some things in my CSS. Instead of blue, I will put a different color here. I will put this color, this green then. Okay, it's updating in real time. This is very interesting for applications that already use the script, right? You can develop all this here. Angular, huh? It's for class too, right? To class for beginning students. It's very interesting that he's already teaching here and is already showing the result, okay? Thank you for attending this class. We are always putting videos, news regarding technologies and programming, a hug, and even the proof.